Keep on in my basement, and I got a rebate to pay for it. Oh, and I took advantage of the solar tax credit. Now I produce my own electricity. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fuck PSEG. Ooh. Fuck PSEG. I got with New World Energy, and they gave me a heat pump, solar on my roof, and an EV in my garage. I am no longer dependent on the grid for my power for my kids. New World figured out a way to make going net zero affordable today. I fuck with New World every day because they got my back. Okay.
I've got savings on my bills every single day.
Whoa.
With my heat pump running, I'm saving in every kind of way. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My heat pump, heat pump, heat pump. Talking about my heat pump, heat pump. Say, what can make me feel this way? My heat pump, heat pump, heat pump. Talking about my heat pump, heat pump. Ooh, it feels warm in here. I don't know about you guys. I tell my neighbors, come and join the fold. With my heat pump in my home, we should all be bold. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My heat pump, heat pump, heat pump. My heat pump. Saving money, going green. It's not just for me, it's for the neighborhood.